Hey friends, this is Atif of Pure Val and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my earlier video that I shared a few hours ago, this one, I was showing you that Bitcoin is confirming the market direction through Elliott wave on the daily time frame chart. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then this was the wave 1 and this was the correction wave 2 that was not reached with more than 100% of wave 1. Then we had the longest wave C here. And then we have the correction wave 4, and this is the wave 5 that is slightly longer than wave 1, but still short than wave 3. And now this can be the ABC correction that I was telling you in my previous video as well. This was the correction wave A, and then B. And now we are catching the wave C. By the way, identifying ABC correction wave is difficult than identifying this Elliott wave structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure. And for example, if we are catching the right correction wave, that so far so good, you can see that it is exactly like the ABC correction pattern, then this C wave can be at least equal or longer, because usually it can be longer than wave A. Then for example, if we are going to have this wave C equal to wave A, then it can move up to $59,700, and it can be even longer than that. Then it can even cross $61,000 or $60,000. And so far, you can see that wave C has moved up to $58,200. And by the way, in today's video, we will once again analyze this Elliott wave structure, and I would also like to show you this breakdown that was happened on the daily time frame chart from this descending triangle. And now on a 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that we had found this short-term resistance here that is approximately at $58,500. You can see that after the breakdown from the support, the price and retested this level as support here. By the way, it was also working as a support here as well. And now after the breakdown, this previous support is flipped into a resistance. We got rejection here, the price line drop down, we got another rejection here, price line drop down, and now the price line is moving towards this resistance once again. By the way, we have also broken out this very long-term resistance that was the lowest price of the month of May 2024. You can see on the 4-hour time frame chart for a while we broke it down here and here as well, and still we are again moving above this support level. And even on the daily time frame chart, the price line is moved above this support of $56,500 that was previously working as support here in the month of May 2024. And we will also take a look at this move on the daily time frame chart. And I would also like to show you this very massive and long-term up channel that is formed after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern. You can see that the price line is dropped again at the support of this channel. And this is the second week. You can see that the price line is getting accumulated at this support. And if the price line breaks down this support of the channel, then we will have this long-term support here. That will be approximately at $49,000. That was previously working as a resistance here and as a resistance here as well. And we will also analyze this rally as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Fusionist, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 27th of May 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart. And first of all, let me to show you this Elliott wave structure to the downside. And you can see that here we have the impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2. Then we had the longest wave 3, then we have another correction wave 4, and this was the wave 5 that is longer than wave 3 and slightly not longer, short than wave 3 and longer than wave 1. And now we are watching the ABC correction. This was the correction A, this was the B. And in my previous video, I was telling you that if it is going to be the C correction wave, then we may see some further move to the upside, and you can see that so far the price line has moved up to $58,200. However, if it will be equal to wave 1, then it can hit somewhere $59,500 or $600. But it can be longer than wave 1. Therefore, I'm expecting that after or during this wave C, the price and can again try to break out the previous support of this triangle that was broken down on the daily time frame chart, because the support of this descending triangle is on $60,000. You can see that it was working as support here, support here, support here, and support here, and now it can work as a resistance. And the price line is also recovered back, by the way. We have formed another low, but it is once again recovered back, moved above this level. That was the lowest price of the month of May 2024. That was at $56,500. However, here we also have another short-term support, approximately at $53,000. And you can see that now still it is working as a support. And in case of breaking down this short-term support, it can drop down at the long-term support of $49,000. And in case of re-entering this triangle, we can expect an imminent move up to the resistance of the triangle. Before that, we will also have this resistance. That was the resistance coming from November 2021. That was the highest price of the November 2021. That is at $69,000. And then we have the highest price of this year here in the month of March 2024. That was $73,794. And this is a complete resistance on that we need to break out in order to continue this rally to the upside. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, the price and rallied very well. And by the way, I have been showing you this falling wedge pattern even before the breakout, and I've been telling you that after the breakout from this wedge, we can expect at least a move up to the resistance, up to the top of this wedge. That was approximately somewhere between $69,000 to $70,000. And you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target. And now here we have formed this double top. And after this double top formation, the price line is dropped down at the support of this channel. And you can see that we got stable ejections. We have stable touch points here at the support of the channel. And now it is again dropped down at the support of the channel. At the same time, stochastic has once again entered the oversold zone. It was happening, by the way, here in the month of August 2023 when we formed this double top here during this rally, and the price got rejected from the double top, dropped down at the support of the channel. The stochastic entered the oversold zone, and when we received the bull cross, when this blue line crossed up the orange line, then you can see that the price has started a very massive rally. By the way, it happens during the bull run when stochastic, especially on the weekly time frame chart, enters the oversold zone, and we receive a bull cross from the oversold zone, then Bitcoin can start another rally to the upside. And in the bear market, we can see some price corrections. Sometimes price corrections can be short one, sometimes can be bigger one, but like it was happening here when it was dropped down here during this long-term downtrend. When we received the bull cross, then we had a nice price correction to the upside, but the price then got rejected by the resistance of this Fed. It was again happened here as well, and again happened here as well. And now we are in the bull run. Therefore, there is a probability that if we will receive another bull cross, then the price then may start another rally. And during that rally, the price then can even break out this resistance zone, where the price then formed this double top as well. And this resistance zone starts from $69,000. That is the highest price of the month of November 2021, and goes to $73,794. And after breaking out this resistance zone, it can move to the resistance of the channel once again, somewhere here, approximately at $100,000. But still, we are moving at the very critical support that is here at $56,500, and then we will have the next support of $49,000 as well. And we need to keep an eye, by the way, on this support of $49,000. For example, if the price then breaks down the support of the channel, then still this support can be very, very significant, because previously it was working as a resistance here and as a resistance here and a resistance here as well. And this time it can work as a very strong support. And it was also happened here in the month of September and August 2023 as well, when we formed this double top. And at that time, we had a support approximately here at $25,000. That was previously working as a resistance. And after the breakout, it was flipped into a support. And when we dropped down at this support here, then the price then started another move to the upside and broke out even this resistance, where the price then formed this double top as well. Therefore, same thing can once again happen if the price then, despite the price then breaks down this channel, we will still need to watch out for this support. There can be still a probability that the price then may start another reversal move after testing the support to the upside and try to break out this resistance on that start from $69,000 and goes to $73,800 approximately. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.